a computer virus, and how does it different from other type of malwares like worms and Trojan? ሰላም እንዴት ናችሁ? እኔ ናስር መንገሳ ነኝ። አሁን ዛሬ ይዤላችሁ የመጣሁት ስለ ሶፍትዌር አፕሊኬሽን ላይ የሚያጠነጥነው የ10ኛ ክፍል አሳይመንት ነው ማለት ነው። Question number 1. What is the primary functions of word processing softwares and how do they improve document creation and editing? This is question number 1. Question number 2. Explain the concept of cell referencing in spreadsheets. What is the difference between relative, absolute, and mixed cell references? Question number 3. How can you use formulas and functions in spreadsheet to perform calculation and analyze data? Provide an examples of commonly used formula. This is question number 3. Question number 4. What is the key features of PowerPoint presenter viewers and how can it help during a live presentation? Student, these questions very amazing and related with PowerPoint. Question number 4. Question number 5. How can PowerPoint's collaboration feature be used for group presentation? Question number 6. What are the benefits of using rules and filters in Outlook to manage email efficiently? Question number 7. What are the benefits of using OneNote for collaborative projects? Student, many packages of Microsoft are this. From that one is OneNote. Please detailedly to show how can know about Microsoft Office package. Question number 8. What are the some key features of Microsoft Teams that help manage projects and taxes? Student, do you know about Microsoft Teams? Or what is the communication softwares without Microsoft Teams? Question number 9. How can antivirus software protect against ransomware attacks? Question number 8. How can data visualization tools like charts and graphs improve the effectiveness of PowerPoint presentation? Question 1.1. What are the signs that your computer may have a virus? Student, many signs are this. For any computers when attacked by virus. Virus is a program that designed by any programmers. So some signs are this. Please detail say something about virus science. Question 1-2. What is a computer virus and how does it different from other type of malwares like worms and trojans? Question 1-3. Why some common examples of applications including in Microsoft Office packets? Student, please ready for anything. This Marwa pages is smart for anything. In the features, many things are there. Words are what connected with this Marwa because our team all time active. Today's small. In the feature but control all the words. This sound is Marwa sounds. So, question 1-4. This is focused on some history. One of the most spreadsheet and damaging computer virus in history was emerged in 2004. SQ an estimate $3 billion in damage and was responsible for about 25% of all emails sent and its peaks. Student, this virus name is Dash. So this virus is very dangerous and destroyed many files split through the world. The emails. So give the name for this virus. Question 1-5. What is WordStar in the Vulkan software? Question 1-6. Explain the difference between geostationary and low Earth orbits and medium Earth orbit satellites. Question 1-7. How does satellite network support global network connectivity, especially in remote areas? Question 1-8. What is IP address and what are the difference between IP45 and IPv6 addresses? Question 1-9. How can you find IP address of your computers and any other device on networks? Question 2-0. Explain the ranges of address for IP address classes. Class A, Class B, Class C, Class D and E. How each classes used to network. Okay, our lessons efficiency 4. Bye bye.